got that last lap.
Because you had a good fast motor to drop off.
Huh?
Because you had that good fast motor.
Yeah. My watch went off and told me my heart rate needed to be checked.
All right, straightaway is closed. We're going to wind up. Straightaway is closed. Order is going to be 1, 4, 3, 2, 5, 7, 8, 6. 1, 4, 3, 2, 5, 7, 8, and 6. All right, here we go. Drivers ready. Turn marshals heads up. We're going to go when I call your number. 1, 4, 3, 2, 5, 7, 8, 6. This is race number 18 on the track. 13.5 Stadium Truck. Race number 19, two-wheel, four-wheel mod coming up next. Four-wheel mod coming up next. Joby Levin leading the pace right now, 12.3. Last time by has already opened up to a 1 second advantage on Brady Carco. Doug Riviere in third, Michael Russell in fourth, Michael McEwen rounding out your top five. Down and 3:30 still left to go. Joby Levin out in front, got a 2 second advantage now on Doug Riviere in third, Kyle Holmberg in fourth, Andy DeBrino in fifth.
Damn.
About halfway, guys. 2:30 down and 2:30 still left to go. Joby still out in front, 12.2 that time by. Has a 1.5 second advantage on Brady. Doug still sitting in that third spot, about 5 seconds behind Brady. Kyle about a 1/2 second behind him. Andy not too far back in fifth. Less than 2 minutes to go. Joby still out in front. Brady about a second back. Start to reel in just a little bit with 1:30 left to go. Joby comes by with a 12.1. Brady 12 flat. So your top two separated by less than 1 second. La Riviere about 10 seconds behind your leaders in the third spot. Andy DeBrino about a 1/2 second behind him in fourth. Joey, the rough last lap. Brady 11-9 that time by, taking over the lead.
Oh
Less
shit.
than 1 minute.
Straightaway.
Brady out in
Sorry.
front. Straightaway. It is clear.
Damn it. Sorry, Jovi.
Brady Carco out in front. Jovi Levin dropping back into that second spot. Doug LaRiviere in third with 30 seconds to go. Seconds left to go. Brady still leading the way. Jovi about 5 seconds back in that second spot. Doug about 3 seconds behind him in third. That is time, guys. Everybody keep going to hear your name.
All drivers are finished. Joe tagged up.
All right, taking the win in race number 18 and your TQ for 13.5 Stadium Truck, Brady Carrico with a 25.508. Joey Levin finishing in that second spot, 24.501. And Doug LaRiviere finishing in third, 24.504.